Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or even good night, and welcome to the Crackpack on the TryCraft server with me, Tryonus. And I think I am going mad. Really, I spent last night on the server working away, and I was trying to. Well, let me explain. If you know me, I hate grinding. I really do hate the grind of anything, which is why I don't particularly get on well with Applied Energistics 2, AE2. So, last night I was looking through the mod and really kind of what I need, because I've got a lot of junk, I've got a lot of ores, I've got a lot of God knows what. Ender pearls, wither skulls, and whatnot. Really, to make use of this, the best thing for me to maybe actually have is to forget the lower end storage ones and just go straight into the where are they? The 64k ME storage ones, instead of messing around with all these smaller ones, which I don't think would be any good to me. So I wanted to try and just make a few of these. So I was looking, and this casing isn't too bad, but the problem is making these 64k components, because you need engineering processors and 16k storage components, and for them you need 4k storage components and another engineering processor, and then for that you need a 1k one, and then to make the 1k one you need the Xersos quartz thing, and the inscribers only make one at a time. So annoying. So last night I spent some time making a automated processor facility type thing, and this is what I came up with. Yeah. Looking at it now, I think I went a bit mad. Like I say, I did go mad, I think. But let me see if I can explain this to you. You might have to bear with me. Right, so on the right hand side, starting with this little section here. Oh, by the way, to power this little lot, I did create one of those energy acceptors. Now, it wouldn't take power from the, not the item conduits, the power conduits themselves. Or at least I don't think it did anyway. But it did accept power directly from the dimensional transceiver. So that's how I'm using, where I'm getting all my power from at the moment for this setup. Excuse me. Right. So over here, it's still kind of a manual thing. I've got to put things in carefully. So if I put gold in this one, if I've actually got some gold, I think I have. I think I've got some smelted. I have got a couple of stacks that I'll put them in there. They get fed directly into this inscriber down at the bottom, which it's got a logic press, and it cooks them up nicely. From there, it goes directly into this chest, creating printed logic circuits for me, which are used to create the logic processor. Okay. So this one actually makes the silicon press here, the silicon one, and that goes into there, and the silicon goes into there. I need to actually make some more silicon, so I need to wait on that one. Right, so both of them are used to make the excuse me, the logic processor. So they get pulled out of here, and the silicon gets pushed into the bottom. The gold one gets pushed into the top, and then this chest, which has got redstone in it, gets put into the right hand side, and it's still waiting on silicon to make the logic processor. Okay, so that's kind of that little setup here. Okay, to make the next one on, if I can get it back up, which is not that one. That one, I need calculation processors. which are made from printed calculation circuits, redstone and silicon. The calculation press is made by pure Xersos quartz. That's the pain in the backside for me to make at the moment, because to make that you need to make it in, you need seed and quartz. To drop a quartz seed, you need to make it from dust and sand, quartz, dust and sand, into a puddle of water, which is what that is there, and the growth accelerators around it. All 4 of them to make it fast. One of them donated kindly from Darcy, that she gave me from that chest. So I haven't got any left, but that what goes in there makes the calculation press, and that gives me the printed calculation circuit, which again the silicon from over there and the redstone there gets put into this one, as you can see here, and that makes me the calculation processor. I'm doing fairly well at the moment. I still need, like I say, it's the silicon that I need at the more at the moment. So this little setup here, basically same again, but it's for the printed engineering circuit, which require diamonds. So the diamonds go into there, then everything goes into this one to make the engineering processor. Yeah, like I say, I think I went a little bit mad, because looking at it now, I could possibly just do things from one centralized chest, maybe, rather than having all multiple chests and doing things like that. So yeah, anyway, I'm fairly pleased with how I've got this set up. Like I say, it does require manual stuff like doing the silicon, because the silicon is a pain in the ass. Useless, because as you can see, there is no way to actually cook it in its pure state. I've got loads of the silicon stuff. I think it was in one of these top ones. There we are. Actually, collected cash silicon there, 476 stacks, plus whatever I've got on me now, which is kind of cool. But to actually make any use of this, I've got to cook it all down and do this, and yeah, I've got to do that all individually and break them all off. And even though this is a Fortune 3 pick, I don't think you really get much more than just one. 23, 24, 28. Okay, so Fortune does work on it, so that's good to know. I didn't think it did. And then once I've done this, and I've still got a few more to do, I've got to put them in the alloy smelter to cook up, and then once it's finished cooking, I can put them in that chest to get everything working again. So yeah. Right, anyway, we have got a few things few engineering processes and a few other processes as well, so hopefully we can get working now. This might take a minute, and I may get myself a little bit confused. So obviously we need 3 of these to begin with, so I'm only going to make 1 of these on camera. The rest I might do off camera. That's 3 of them. Then I need Xersos quartz and redstone. Okay. 4 Xersos quartz. Oh, I actually got some redstone in there. 4 redstone. Okay, let's do this. Oh no, I actually need more than just 4, don't I? Yeah, bear with me. I'm not thinking right. Okay, so that goes there, there, and there. Okay, so that's that. So I just need. Don't want 4, 8, 4 and 8. I think that's right. I hope so. Okay. Which one's wrong? That one there. Okay. Right, so we've got 3 of them, so we should be able to make the 4K one now, which is quartz glass calculation processor, which is that chest. I should really put signs on these as well. I need one of them. Quartz glass. Now, quartz glass. I think I might have got something in a crafting recipe. No, but that is the recipe to make it just about. But I have actually got some. Cool. That makes a nice change. So, I need more redstone. Actually, I'm going to need a lot more of them, thinking about it. Aha. Because the that's the 4K one, isn't it? Right, okay. See, this is where I get myself a bit confused. Let's see, so I needed 3 for each one of them. And then I need 3 of them. Yeah, okay. Like I said, this is actually where I get myself a bit confused. Okay, so I'm gonna need a lot more of them. Aha. So that's enough for 1, so I need 6 more. Joy. We'll just grab a load of them and a load of them. And to save messing around, a load of them. Okay, so they go in the center. They go around. Okay, so 1, that's 2, and 3, yes. Yep. Okay, that's fine. So that's 1 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I run out of everything else. Of course I do. Of course I do. Let's grab all of them. And then hopefully got a bit more redstone there. I think I've got a load in one of these chests anyway. Somewhere there's a bit more. Got a load in there somewhere. Not too concerned. Which one was I using? There we are. Okay, let's do that. So we need 1 more. So that's fine. And hopefully we've got enough there. Not saying that we have. I might be completely wrong with my maths. I don't do maths if I can avoid it. Right then, so I need what did I need? What did I come over here for? Haha, calculation processors. I need 3. Actually, no, I need more than 3, don't I? Probably another 9. How many people are yelling at the screen? I need more quartz glass. Okay. Recipe, please. Normal glass and Xersos quartz dust. Okay. How do you make Xersos quartz dust? Sorry, my mind's just gone blank again. Oh, nether quartz dust. Nether quartz dust will do. I've got a fair amount of that, I think. Yeah, I can cook some more of that up. Okay, so you can go in there while we're sorting everything else out. Oops. Come on. Okay, so that should make another quartz dust. Good. Then I might need some sand. Oh, that's ancient sand. I don't think we can use that. Sand. No sand. Okay. We will have to do something else then. That's fine. I've got a stack in there, cobblestone. That should do. Just wait for them to finish off. Okay, and then we stick the cobblestone in there, then that should give us sand. Good. That's fine. Okay, so we can go in here at least and get a little bit more. Right, okay, let's see what we can make. We need the 4K ones, don't we? Yep. And then it was redstone around it. So we need all of them. And then the 16K ones. We need all three of them, might need to sort them out. Talking of which, let's get this silicon into its chest, and then hopefully that should start making the printed silicon and go into its relative areas. Oops, not that one. Might just be going to that one, so let's put that down to -2, then hopefully it will go to one of the others. Bit more. Okay, how about you? Have you got any yet? Nope. Okay, let's put you down to -1, and hopefully that should start working on that one. Cool. Right. Where was I? Storage component. Okay, engineering processes, which goes at the top. They go around like so. Then it was glowstone, I think it said, didn't it? Glowstone, okay. Oh, nether stuff. Got plenty of glowstone, so no worries there. That one. Okay, that's one. I need 3 of them, so I just need the glass. Please and thank you. Make that sure that's on furnace only, and start cooking up that. I don't think I can use these, but we should be okay with just that. Get the quartz glass, and that's them 3. And then lastly, get there eventually, we put them like that, that like that, and the glowstone again around it with another one of these guys. And that's the wrong glass. Haha. And there's a 64K ME storage unit. So we just need to make one of these guys, which is the quartz glass. That should be like that. And 3 redstone. That in the center, and 3 iron ingots, idiots, and 64K ME storage cell. Cool. better than chests. Very cool. Okay, so the next thing, if I'm alright for time. I know it's a bit of a crafting episode, this one. Is to make try and make the crafting terminal. Okay, let's have a look. ME terminal. Formation core. Illuminated panel, I think. Yes, Darcy did give me one of them, thank you. Formation core, what are you? Flux dust. What's flux dust? Okay, I think we can do that. Does work in a segment, I hope. I didn't really check that. Alright, that's on disable. Good. Alright. Get a couple of them just so I know. And a logic press. Wrong one. That one. Formation code. Did I need two of them? No, that's an annihilation core. Not much difference then. Okay, so we can get two of them, that's fine. Annihilation core is nether quartz, flux dust, logic processor. Okay. Flux dust and nether quartz. Right, okay. Get you in there. And there's the nether quartz. And two of you, that's fine. Right, so, right, you, and you, and what was it? A logic processor to make the ME terminal, thank you very much. Then I need a calculation processor, which is that one, I know that. Which you can go in there. The ME terminal can go in there. And then a crafting bench, which I did see. Oops, how did I do that? The crafting bench. So I did see one. You can go there. A much bigger table, cool. Then we can grab you. And I might need some more wiring, but we can nick some from other places in a bit. So let's have I actually got any more wiring? Sorry about this. Fiber and let's just do this real quick. Oops, wrong one. That one. And the glass. Okay. That's fine. So have a think about this. It's only going to be a temporary position, so I suppose it doesn't really matter. So let's do that. I hope this works. You are connected, and you can go on there. So you are connected, I hope. Right, okay. We seem to have got power. Let's dump you in there. That's got a green light on it. Green lights are always good. So we can put things in. Aha! It's working! It's working! Oh, that is a lot of work, but I've got to make a few more of them because I don't think that one will be enough for everything in the shell and anything else I want to put in there as well. But we've got there eventually. We're getting some AE2 eventually. So I'm going to end this episode here. So thank you very much for joining me. If you've got any useful hints, tips, or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. But otherwise, have yourself a very good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.